गाइस, व्हाट इज़ अप, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आ गई है वो घड़ी जब हम फिर से जीके से रिलेटेड वीडियो बनाने लग गए हैं, क्योंकि मुझे जीके को लेके बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आ रहे थे आप लोगों के। तो हियर वी गो, लेट्स गो। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टुडेज टॉपिक इज़ how much does it cost as a GK's aspirant during the process, before the process, and after you get selected. तो डॉक्यूमेंट्स में ज़्यादा कुछ, जैसे प्रीवियस डिग्री आपने जहाँ से ली है, मे बी बैचलर्स और मास्टर्स डिग्री, तो उसका तो सारे यूजुअली रिजल्ट्स वगैरह तो आपके पास होंगे ही, रिजल्ट्स एंड सर्टिफिकेट्स तो आपके पास होंगे ही, तो उसके लिए तो अलग पैसा नहीं लगता। जिसके लिए पैसा लगता है वो है ज़ेरॉक्स कॉपीज़ बनाने के लिए, और है जो ट्रांसक्रिप्ट्स, जो पहले हम लोगों को नहीं मिलता था। शायद आप अब जो लोग पास आउट हो रहे हैं उनको ट्रांसक्रिप्ट्स मिलता होगा, पर जो लोग कोरोना के टाइम पे भी पास आउट्स हुए उनको भी ट्रांसक्रिप्ट्स नहीं मिलता था, तो हमें बनाना पड़ा था। तो यूजुअली ट्रांसक्रिप्ट्स अपने यूनिवर्सिटी या कॉलेज से आपको मिलता है, वो लोग बना के देते हैं सारे सेमिस्टर्स का एक साथ करके, कोलेट करके देते हैं। ट्रांसक्रिप्ट इज़ अ थिंग दैट इज़ योर कोलेटेड डेटा ऑफ ऑल ऑफ योर सेमिस्टर्स रिजल्ट्स। तो ट्रांसक्रिप्ट मैं अपनी बात कर रही हूँ, बनाना पड़ा था। वो हमें यूनिवर्सिटी में इस वेबसाइट में जाके अप्लाई करना पड़ता है दैट आई नीड अ ट्रांसक्रिप्ट, तो वैसे करके बनाना पड़ा था। तो क्योंकि मैंने इंडिया से बैचलर्स और मास्टर्स दोनों किया था, तो मेरा दोनों का ट्रांसक्रिप्ट बनाना पड़ा था, विच कॉस्टेड मी 700 पर डॉक्यूमेंट। तो मैंने टोटल 2 सेट करवाया था, 2 बैचलर्स के, 2 मास्टर्स के, तो टोटल मुझे लगा था 7 into 4 2800। आई स्टडीड विथ West Bengal University of Technology, so from there it costed me like that. It can be different for other universities in other state. Then the next comes our document Xerox. You know, all of your documents, your results, that is your transcripts, and your all the certificates, extracurricular certificates that you have to submit, and then your certificate of the bachelor degree and the master's degree, and all other, the entire forms, form 1 2 3 4, study plan, everything. So for university track, as I applied through university track, it was only one set of documents. So for Xerox copies, I would say it took me, you can approximately calculate like 500-600 rupees, Indian rupees, for one set of everything. And for, I think if you are applying through embassy track, then you need 3 sets of everything, like all the documents, 3 sets. So it might cost more, like different for different tracks. So after that it comes the apostillation. Apostillation is also one of the major chunk of money. It goes with the apostillation because apostillation in India is costly. So for apostillation, it took me, I did my apostillation of the documents from Visa Technologies. So you can find them on Google. You can just search Visa Technology apostillation and you can find their WhatsApp number. You can contact them. And so apostillation is a thing, it's like a stamp that validates your documents outside India, that is used for abroad studies or any other purposes. So it validates your documents that these are your own documents that you have got and you can use them outside India. That's why apostillation was created. So there are like 3 to 4 stamps that you have to get, but getting those stamps are really hectic for a normal person. So you can take help from, there are lots of apostillation services in India, especially based in Delhi, and I think also there are in different cities there are apostillation services, but I did from Delhi and they had like doorstep delivery and it was reliable because you really don't have to go there. You just give them the printed copies or the scanned copies of your documents, and yeah, it was good. So the apostillation service was 1500 per document. So I did 4 or 5 documents. Yeah, so 5 into 1500, 7500. And then actually I did apostillation twice, because first one, when I did the apostillation, all the apostille documents I had to send to with the documents to Korea. So when by the time I got selected and I was coming to Korea, I needed another apostillation set, because you always have to be prepared. So I needed another apostillation set, so I did again the apostillation. मैंने 2 बार apostillation किया था, 2 4 नहीं, 2 बार अपोस्टिलेशन किया था। तो 2 बार करने से अपोस्टिलेशन का 7,500, और उसके बाद वाला, क्योंकि मैंने 2 बार अपोस्टिलेशन किया था तो उसके बाद मुझे डिस्काउंट मिला था थोड़ा सा, तो अप्रॉक्सीमेट 14,500 पकड़ के चलो। फिर आता है आपका सेंडिंग डॉक्यूमेंट्स टू कोरिया। ये सिर्फ उनके लिए एप्लीकेबल है जो लोग यूनिवर्सिटी ट्रैक से अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, लाइक मी, क्योंकि यूनिवर्सिटी ट्रैक में आपको एक सेट डॉक्यूमेंट होता है जो आपको लेके फेडेक्स या और कोई सर्विस के थ्रू, इंडिया पोस्ट या और कोई सर्विस के थ्रू आपको मेल करना पड़ता है कोरियन यूनिवर्सिटी को, जिस यूनिवर्सिटी में आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो, क्योंकि एक ही यूनिवर्सिटी को आपका डॉक्यूमेंट जाता है। तो उसके लिए सेंडिंग डॉक्यूमेंट्स आई डिड 5,000 रुपीज़। They took 5,000 rupees from me, and I actually got some student discount, and they took 5,000 rupees from me. I sent it from Kolkata, so it might be different from other cities. And photos also, you need photos, and for photos also, for visa photos, especially for visas, there are specifications for Korean visas only. You can find them in the official visa website. So for photos also, like, you have to make them like specially. So for visa photos also, it took like 500, maybe within 500, I don't remember exactly. After the photos, it comes like after you send the documents, then after all the process, when you finally get selected, then the main cost will be TB test and visa, and the photos you already made. So yeah, so the for visa you have to go, if you are from Delhi or Kolkata, you have to apply through VFS Global. So for VFS Global, they have like everything on their website, you can check them. So for that, because we are government scholar, when you will be chosen, you will be a government scholar, so they won't take the study visa fee, they only take their VFS Global's fees and the courier fee. So it will be like 4,500 to 5,000 rupees for the visa. And for TB test, there are 2 types of TB tests. One is from blood, another one is just through chest x-ray. So chest x-ray one is lesser expensive, but the blood one is more expensive. So it depends upon that which one you will choose. And there are designated hospitals in the visa website, you can find it there. So you have to do the tests from there only. And like I did it from Dr. Lal's Path Labs, and there I did the chest x-ray. It was not much, it was like 500 rupees, yeah, 500. So yeah, that was it. I will post all the expenses maybe here, right here. Yeah, so that was what the expenses were, or what the expenses will be. Also, it was in 2022, all happened in 2022 and 2023, so the expenses might differ. Going to Korea, I shopped a little bit, of course, the food, snacks, or some clothes, little bit. As I'm from Kolkata, my flight was from Kolkata to Incheon directly, but there was a layover in Delhi, but my original flight was from Kolkata to Delhi, direct international flight. So I didn't have to travel anywhere, so I didn't have to go for extra cost. So yeah, that was it. And yes, I will make more GK's videos. And so I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like, and let me know in the comments if you have any more questions. Bye bye.